Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, detail world. We out here in Green Hills, Tennessee, Burton Hills. We about to do this Chevy Suburban hot country right here. One of my good customers, she's a real estate lawyer. She's a very good customer of mine. She's a very good woman. She always looking out for me, always giving me customers and things of that nature. Appreciate it for that. But right now we just doing the same thing. I'm making this watch, nothing too major, nothing too crazy. So we about to go ahead and get it cracking right here. Like I say, Rennie you already know what I'm about to say. Rennie already in the inside. So you know how that go. But yeah, it's a little
Ashy Larry.
ashy in here today, so I might have to spruce it up a little bit. Might come through with some leather conditioner because these dogs are extremely ashy today. But yeah, but it's your typical debris, like always. Your typical, you know, your sticks, your twigs, your snacks, cookies. See, look, crackers. Hey, look, y'all think I be playing when I be saying they be eating these crackers in these cars. See, somebody thought I was being racist. But look what's in this car. What'd you see? Crackers. Crackers. So that's for real. That's somebody told me. I had a few comments and a few people called me about one of my comments in my videos when I say these cars be having crackers in it. Somebody say, man, you be a racist. I'm not racist, man. But you saw it, you know? They was eating them crackers. But yeah, we right here finna knock out this Suburban and everything. But y'all do what y'all always do, man, and hit that subscribe button, man. I appreciate y'all. Hit them likes, leave a comment, and I'll catch up with y'all later. But alright, y'all, how y'all doing? We done made it out. Well, we already been made it. We just finished this Chevy Suburban hot country. Like I said, it was just a basic on it. We out here in Green Hills. It's such a beautiful day today. The weather feels pretty nice. It's like 48 degrees. So can't complain about that. Headed to my next appointment right now. Like I said, we done already knocked out the interior of the car. Everything's completely done. So, you know, she's definitely gonna be super satisfied with the car. I know y'all hear me say super satisfied, but satisfactory is everything. There's no reason to have a business and nobody's satisfied with what you got. You know, besides quality. You know what I mean? Quality's there because the quality wasn't there. These people will continue to use my service. So, just gotta make sure people are satisfied and just happy with my services, because I want to get new business, I get new business, but I'd rather focus on my repeats, because my repeats are the people who keep me in business, because they're gonna continue to use my services, and then they're gonna tell their brother, sister, friend, mother, dog, and whoever else about my services so they can be used. We done made it to the second stop. We still out here in Green Hills, Tennessee. As usual, you already know. Y'all might as well say it for me. Rennie in the inside. How you doing today, Rennie?
So I must be done lost my job, huh?
Why you say that?
I ain't got the word for the day.
Man, you ain't been giving us one. So what's the word of the day today, Rennie?
The word of today, y'all, is health.
Who?
Health. You got to be in good health in order to watch cars. So keep in mind, stay healthy.
Stay healthy, y'all. Y'all heard him, so well, I gotta get back on him for the word of the day, because he just told me I fired him, but you know I ain't fired him. It's just the last few times, you know, he said he have a word for us, so I was giving him a little break. But we gonna get back to the word of the day, and like he said, the word of the day is health. And he do got that right, because like I say, I had to go to the doctor not too long ago because I wasn't feeling too good. Came and found out I've been just stressed out and just stressing over nothing, and you know, so I believe if you think something wrong with you or you feel as though your body ain't right, man, definitely go check out your health, man, because you only get one life to live, man, and do your best to take care of that life. But like I said, we out here in Green Hills. We about to do this Jeep Wrangler right now. He said he just got the car, and this is what it looked like. He said he just got the car, so we about to go ahead and knock it out. Like I say, Rennie in the inside, doing what he do best. It ain't that bad in here because he say he just got it, but Rennie gonna go ahead and still take care of it. And we'll go ahead and take care of this exterior of the car. I love these Jeep Wranglers because they so modifiable. If that's a word, you know, you can just modify these cars so much from everything, man. Like my homeboy back home got one, man. That boy Jeep so serious. But we out here doing what we do best, Your Way Mobile Car Care. I wish y'all hit them subscribe buttons. Hit them likes, and definitely leave a comment, and I'll catch up with y'all in a minute. We can go ahead and knock this out. All right, good afternoon, good afternoon. We just finished this Jeep Wrangler. Like I said, it was just a basic maintenance cleans, wasn't nothing major. Just had a lot of salt on it because, you know, it snowed not too long ago. But the car looks pretty good. Like I said, interior is pretty decent, so it didn't really take much to rent. So, but everything good. We already came out and looked at the car, said it looks great. Windows, wheels, door jams, whole 9 yards, you know. Door jams clean, but car clean. Windows. So, like I said, we just finished this Jeep Wrangler right here. About to head to the next stop. Got one more stop, and then we actually done for the day. I hate that weather looks so good, but I need to get my kids from school today, because I'm gonna be busy Wednesday and Thursday and Friday, so I won't be able to get them. So I'm gonna go get them today. So we'll catch up with y'all in a minute. Like I said, we just finished this Jeep Wrangler. Yeah. All right. Good afternoon. We had one more stop, but she canceled. So I came home to clean my 2 vehicles. Had to clean the work vehicle. Had to clean my car. We only did a basic exterior wash on both cars. We didn't do the interior on them because the interior is already clean. But like I say, this that Dodge Citadel. What's it called? Durango, and that's a Ford E250. So yeah, like I say, we just knocked both of those out. These is the last stops for the day. We got about 4 or 5 appointments tomorrow. Wednesday, got to go out to TriStar. Thursday, got to go out to South Park Properties, and then Friday got a couple of house calls. Got some house calls for Saturday, and then I'm not working Sunday. But yeah, like always, man, I appreciate y'all checking us out. Definitely, if you like the merch that says Caviar, that's the Leaf Caviar. That's the company me and my guy 00 Mellow on. You can go follow him on YouTube under 00 Mellow. He got great content on his channel too. But like I said, that's Caviar. I'll put the description in the link, and I also will post the website right here as I'm speaking. But I appreciate everybody, man. Y'all definitely have a good day. We'll definitely catch y'all tomorrow, man. Peace out.